Hello, lower school families. We hope this video finds you doing well. I want to thank Morgan for playing this game with me and Mackenzie for doing the videoing. You're going to take a standard deck of cards. You're going to remove the kings, the queens, and the jacks. They are not used in this game, so kings, queens, and jacks are gone. And aces, so you have all your other cards left. Aces are 1, not 11, they're 1, and everything else is whatever the card's value is. Okay? You're going to put out 5 cards, and your goal is to come up with the number 24. When you put out the 5 cards, so let's say that I tried to add them all up first. So 9 plus 8 is 17, 17 plus 3 is 20, 20 plus 2 is 22, plus 27, that's not 24. Our goal is to say, can we get 24? Morgan, do you see a way to get 24? Okay. I actually see a way, so I'm going to help her. Morgan and I are working together. 8 times 3 is 24. Now wait, I didn't use all the 5 cards, but I did. Because look, 5 times 2 is 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 times 24 is 24. So we were able to get 24. So then we'll put out 5 new cards. Again, we can try adding them up. That's probably too much. But we can say, okay, well, wait a second. Is there another way we could get it? Well, let's think about this for a second. Well, wait a second. 6 plus 2 is 8. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 times 8 is 24. We got 24 again. And the goal is to go through the whole pile and be able to get 24 every time. Mathematically, it's if you allow yourself to use factorials and square roots, I think there's one time out of probably 1,000 times I've played the game, I couldn't come up with 24. So it's possible, it just may take a while. So let's look at this one. Well, this is interesting. 10 times 2 is 20, plus 4 is 24, but wait a second, we can't get rid of the 3 and the 1. Oh, wait a second though. What if we have 4 times 3 is 12, but that didn't get rid of the 10. Two times 4, 8. No, that doesn't do us any good. Oh, wait a second. Morgan? Yeah, 10 plus 2, 12. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. 24 times 1 is 24. So that's a way. And then you would keep playing, like I said, until you go through all the cards. The name of the game is 24 because you're trying to come up with 24. You can add, subtract, multiply, or divide, or use factorials, and or use square roots to do the best you can. Enjoy the game. Have fun.